Good morning, everybody. My name's Cameron from Swift Devs. If you're wondering why my voice is so low, I just got up at 6:32 a.m. and today we're gonna mess with some UI colors and programmatically, of course, and and we will also be working on how to build a user interface that works with all the iPhones from the 6 Plus down to the 4S. So we're going to create a single view application. And I'm going to call this Color App. And we're using Swift, and we are building for the iPhone. So let's create that. Let's wait for app to load here. Now, let's go ahead and we're going to go into the main storyboard. So go ahead, let that load. Here we go. Let's give ourselves some real estate. Alright, so as you can see, right here you have your interface. Now here's the thing. You have all these options up here, but the thing is, if I were to do an iPhone 3.5 and I were to put in a button like that, like so, and then let's go into the iPhone 6 Plus. Let's load it. It's going to take a minute to load, but once we load it, it's going to be way out of center, and it's going to be way off to the side, and it's going to look like crap. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to make it so that doesn't happen. So the iPhone 6 Plus, by the way, is huge on my computer. It can't even fit onto one screen. In fact, the scale is set to 50%. So it's a big phone. It's got a lot of resolution to it, which is great. Also, if you have not noticed, since the new version of Xcode has come out, the launch screen can now be an XIB file. So this is kind of your default file right there, but you can edit that however you would like. Still waiting for it to load here. But anyway, oh my word. So we're messing with colors, and we're actually going to use a label today to kind of demonstrate what you can do with colors. So, and remember, the stuff that we're about to do really doesn't just apply to the IB actions. You can use an NS timer. You can do whatever you want. You can add animations. It's all up to you. So, okay, color app. Oh, and we crashed. I haven't even programmed yet, and we're already crashing. This is bad, guys. Lost connection. It should still be able to load though, right? Or not. So half of my videos are just waiting around. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna drag another button actually onto the screen, because we will be working with multiple colors today. I think we're gonna use like green and red or something like that, something stupid. There, see, look at how far off that is. Look at how far off. The center is about here or so. It's somewhere right along this time, and it's still way off to the side. So in order to get this fixed, you have to select your objects, and then down here in the frames and constraints, to add missing constraints to all of them. And now when we go into the 6 Plus, it's all centered. Alright, so Alright, so we're going to do red background. Blue background. And then we're going to do red text. Black text. So you could use this in like a game. If you need the screen to change colors, you can do it just as easily like that. Now we're going to need to reference this label here, so we're going to have to use an IB outlet in order to do this. So let's give ourselves some room and let's go ahead and do this. We're going to do, we're going to call this label 1, at least I am. I'm going to get rid of that. And then, so we want a red background, so let's go ahead and make this an action. Alright, so we're going to do label 1 dot background color equals, and we're going to do UI color red color. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and I'm also just going to program the blue one right now. Alright, so same exact thing. So it gives you a couple of different colors and stuff like that. You can use RGB, I think that's what they're called, RGB colors if you want to. Now we're going to edit the text color. I probably sound a little bit high right now, but that's just because I'm still waking up here. Alright, so we're going to do label 1 dot text color equals UI color dot red color, and then we're going to do another one for the black text. So now we can do another action. Oh, we're doing black text, aren't we? Black text. Guess that's what we're going to call it. Alright, so, and then label 1 dot text color equals UI color dot black color. Alright, so we have these codes. I'm going to make sure this is all center aligned here. I'm just going to do add missing constraints. Sounds good. We're going to our iPhone 6 simulator. We're going to see if this works. It's very simple codes. You can use it with NS timers and it works great. You can also fade it using alpha code, or yeah, change the alpha. Works good for that as well. Nope, black text didn't get the memo. Anyway, so red background, blue background, red text, black text. So that's my little tutorial today on changing the color. You can use a view for this, like another view inside of the main view, and it works great. It works just the same, same exact code, except it would be like view 1 dot background color equals UI color dot red color. So lots of colors to mess with. So, and then you also now know I'm gonna make sure that this gets centered here because I want it to be. I want to make sure that this gets centered for you, so this way you kind of have an understanding on how on how to, oh my gosh, just so you kind of get an understanding here. We clear constraints and add missing. Right back where we were, weren't we? And you gotta remember, I mean, there's still bugs here in the new version of Xcode, so I think this is just one of them. Just yeah, I don't know what's going on here, but anyway, so that's kind of like how you can make apps for the 6 Plus, and make them look good without, like, so that way it looks good on all iPhones. In fact, just to show you real quick, if my computer doesn't die, we can go down to the 4S and show you how this looks. So look at how much smaller the 4S is. I have a 4S right now. I've used it since, I've used it for a while, and it's just what I've always used. Release day. Thrilled about that. I played around with it with the betas and just all that good crap. So yeah, iOS 8 did come out. So alright, so color app, it's loading here. There it is. It's all centered. In fact, it looks pretty much exactly like the storyboard because that's how it was designed. Anyway, I'm Cameron from Swift Devs. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry this video is a little longer. This was almost 15 minutes long. Hopefully we won't do that again. Anyway, subscribe and have a great day.